Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario. Here to talk to you about differential services. Usually we used to be able to just pull these rear covers off to get all the fluid drained out. Gone are those days. What we have here is our differential fluid machine we've got from our suppliers of Clean. And what this does is really pretty handy. We've got this manifold here. As you can tell, clean fluid, new fluid, and we've got the little hose that's gone right into the differential here, aimed that right towards the bottom, and you put it on the suction side. So as you can hear, our machine's been going right now. It's going to suck out all the old fluid. We have the reservoir here on the back of the machine for the old fluid, as well as the reservoir here for the new fluid, the clean fluid that they put in. This particular one we're putting in our Valvoline product, 75W90. GL5, full synthetic, and yeah, you know, a lot quicker for differential services, less mess, and preventative maintenance first and foremost. Urban Automotive, safety first.